I'm Jen Maximo, and I am the speech therapist at the Divide County Elementary School. And I have a passion for music, and so that's why I want to teach these young stars. I have a 12 weeks program. I let them choose whatever song they want to sing, and then I'll pick what's the best fit for their voice. Growing up as a singer, I really have a passion in singing. I see a lot of potential in them, and so if I could be, a help to bring those out and to give them the confidence, then it would have been a great honor for me. So, yeah.
Kelly Spikes and I'm 10 years old. I'm Harper London, I'm 9 years old.
My name is Kylie Jo Ader, and I am 10 years old.
My name is Stella Grace Renella, and I am 8 years old.
I'm Brynlee Ness, and I'm 8 years old.
I am 6, and my name is Addie.
I am 8 years old, and my name is Freya Thornfight. We get parts through songs, we sing a lot, we sing together, do fun stuff.
I love singing because whenever I'm stressed, I do it. It makes me feel happy.
It gives me great joy by expressing myself by singing. Singing makes me feel like happy and good about myself.
Singing makes me feel happy. I like to sing, and it makes me not scared.
It makes me feel really good.
Singing makes me feel happy, I guess, but sometimes if I mess up, I get really embarrassed. So it could be a lot of different feelings, I guess. It could be embarrassing, it could be fun if it goes well, it could be nervous. Yeah, there's a lot of feelings in singing.
My favorite part of voice lessons is where we sing together and some sing on their own.
That when we go upstairs, when we're like all by ourselves, sometimes we get to use the microphones. It's because I get to have fun singing with her.
My favorite thing with working with Mrs. Maximo is that she picks the perfect songs for me that I've never heard, and I'm like, oh, when I listen to this, my voice sounds good with this, and so she's really good at that.
She's taught us to go higher, lower, and medium. Don't use your head tone, use your belly tone. She's really trying to make us better at singing, and she's really kind.
Teached us how to sing longer without taking breaths.
My singing, you're supposed to shake it or whatever, I can't even remember what that's called right now. Yeah, vibrato. I've also learned that. I just thought everything's a straight line, blah, blah, blah. But now I know that I could be blah, 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 and go like that.
We've been practicing for recital. All of them will have their solo, and then there's going to be a group finale song. And then after that, there's going to be a giving of the certificates.
I feel anxious because of the crowd of people. It kind of makes me get stage fright.
Well, I feel a little nervous, mostly excited.
Nervous.
Kind of nervous. I'm singing Perfect by Ed Sheeran, and I feel really good about it.
Lost Boy. I feel pretty good about it.
Kind of nervous. I have never sung in front of people before, only with a group. If my friends were all there, I would be happy to do it. I'm not going to be nervous because my grandma's going to be here, and I'm not scared because I've already done it.
I want to show the community how we Filipinos love to showcase talent. For us, this kind of event is a very, very big deal. So I want to make the Songbirds experience the same thing. I want them to feel and realize how happy and how proud I am as a voice teacher of their accomplishments. And also, I want them to know how happy I am that they decided to rise up and be known and use their talents, to be a blessing to the community.